Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in the trade on GU for 40.56. Right now, currently price is at 40.59. Running another live simulation. Started at, I think 540.75, somewhere like that, 575 or something like that. Can't remember. Sorry about that. But got 2 minutes left on the trade. Currently in this uptrend right here. I just got in this trade not to my 8 minutes left in on the hour. I know it was going up. As you can see, this trend started since Sunday, it's the opening of the market. So right now we're looking pretty good. So we know we know what's going on right now. So it's gonna play pretty close. So we're gonna see how it goes from here. Got a minute and some change left. So it's gonna get real tight. Got a minute left, guys. We'll do no analysis on it. I mean, you can see it from here. This plan on this candle here. Let's get in closer. Just on this candle here, whether it's gonna remain a red candle or a green candle, that's gonna be the key. It looks may be green, may be red, but I hope it don't take no drop. So under 1 minute left, so we'll see how this thing go. See if it's gonna hold. See if the price is gonna hold at 40.58. Probably puts me over 1,000 at this point. I think I'm controlling this trading just a little bit better on this live simulation. I told you guys I will be trading live here pretty soon, maybe a few weeks from now. I'll be back live again. Got to put some skin in the game if you want real results. Price look like it's gonna hold. 5 seconds left. It held. Boom. It's good. We're gonna wait till the position settle. Boom. There we go. There we go. I think I'm close to 500 in profit. I started this on I think Thursday or Friday, so really 2 days. Going on 3 now. Make 500 bucks. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. But Alex Jenkins checking out.